Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XRP from Binance to Revolut for easier access or spending. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This guide is straightforward and designed to save you time and hassle. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Revolut, and that you've verified your identity as required. This is crucial for security in the crypto world. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. It's usually right at the top. Next, search for XRP in the withdrawal options. Double check that you're on the correct network. For XRP, it's typically the XRP Ledger network. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be a minimum withdrawal amount and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Here's the key part. You need the XRP wallet address from your Revolut app. Open Revolut, go to your crypto section, select XRP, and copy the wallet address. Paste this carefully into the withdrawal form on Binance. I can't stress this enough. Always verify the address to prevent any loss of funds. After that, review all the details. The amount, the address, and the fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance to see if the XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check your transaction history on Binance. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified, keep your devices secure, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for today's guide. Transferring XRP doesn't have to be complicated, and now you're all set. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.